Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle air rear shock. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected DNM AO38RC mountain bike air rear shock. Specifications: model number AO38RC. Use: mountain bikes. Material: alloy. Size: 165 by 35 190 by 45 200 by 51 210 by 53 The item number 2 is DNM Burner RCP2S Mountain Bike Bicycle MTB. Specifications: origin: TW origin. Model number: Burner RCP2S. Use: mountain bikes. Material: alloy. Size: 165 190 200. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DNM AO36RC MTB Bicycle Shock 165 by 35 Specifications: origin: CN origin. Model number: AO36RC. Use: mountain bikes. Material: alloy. Size: 165 by 35 Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.